How to set up Alexa app on Android. Setting up your Amazon Alexa app on your Android is a fairly simple task. So what you have to do is make sure that your Alexa is turned on Echo or whichever device you have. Then launch the Amazon Alexa app and make sure that you're signed into your respective account. So I'm assuming you've already went ahead and then signed in. Now once you've done that, just tap on this bulb icon within the Amazon Alexa app right here. When you do here, you can see devices, but you can tap on this plus icon from the top right hand side, then tap on add device. Under add device, we will select Amazon Echo because that is what I'm trying to add over here. And once I've done that, I should be able to see a couple of other options over here. So it says what device would you like to set up. I will select Echo because mine is an Echo, and make sure that it is in a setup screen. So make sure I turn on my Bluetooth as well. So let me go ahead and do all that. I'll allow whatever permission the application requires. In this case, it says is your Echo plugged in and displaying an orange light. So you have to make sure it is displaying an orange light, which means that it is in setup mode. If it is not displaying an orange light, you might have to tap on this no option, and you will see various instructions on how you can get this to set up the orange light, because there are 3 different types of Echoes and you will see all those options. Then you can tap the continue button. It will check if there is any sort of devices, and once it is in pairing mode, you will see your Echo will show up here. You can tap on it to set up and connect it. This way you can set up Alexa app on Android. I hope this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end, and see you soon in the next video.